If you've been suffering from a TMJ and jaw pain for some time, haven't had much success with conventional approaches, and this video is for you. I'm going to share my strategies and to address the root problem by retraining your nervous system and movement patterns. So to retrain your nervous system and to change your relationship with the TMJ, you need to recognize how stress, mental stress and emotional stress and physical stress and shows up in various parts of the body. So when we are under stress, it's very common that we experience tension, shrugging the shoulders, clenching the teeth, tightening the throat, tightening the chest, which impacts your breathing quality as well, tensing your abs, clenching your fist, tensing your eyes, all those things that we do and we are unaware of those habitual tension. And that is happening throughout the day, but we don't really know that. And this is something that your brain is just automatically doing and is a way to respond to stress. So the first thing is you need to start pay attention to your body, and it starts to become aware when you are starting to tense your body, right? Clench your teeth. You need to let that go. So that requires you to pay attention during your day. From time to time, you might set a timer and just check in with yourself. Okay, all right, I'm doing these patterns again, so I can just let go. So one of the easiest ways to do that is you just bring your attention to your body while you're sitting or standing, whatever you're doing, just for a moment, and you bring your attention to your body, and then it starts to just pay attention to your breathing, and it starts to regulate your breath, right? You don't need to breathe in any particular way, but by just noticing how you're breathing, you may notice that you're breathing like this. You just need to breathe and let your breath and just come and go naturally. And by doing that, and it starts to regulate your nervous system, then breathing becomes more regulated. And then the tension, and you can start to let go of unnecessary holding in all those places, right? So that's the first part. And then the second part is an actual movement retraining, which we're going to start right now. I'm going to demonstrate the movement. And you can listen and you can watch and listen to my instructions and watch my demonstration first. I'm going to perform while sitting on the floor, but it would be easier for most of you to be sitting in a chair. Okay? And I want you to watch it first and just get a good idea about the movements and understand the instructions first. And then you go back. And then when you actually start practicing the movement, close your eyes and please, and listen to my verbal instructions and guidance again and only. The reason why I'm asking you to do that is because you want to connect with your body by bringing your attention into your body, okay, away from the screen. That's a very different experience. So why do you want to do that? Because you want to be present and you want to pay attention to your body so that you can learn about your body and you can experience your body from the inside out. And this is the process that actually regulates your nervous system. Very, very important to do that. So let's begin, and I'm going to start. You can watch first. And go ahead and sit on a chair comfortably and go ahead and place your hands on your breastbone. And slowly begin to lift your chest, lower your chest down. Not a stretching, not a forceful movement. And allow your head to move back as your chest and begin to lift. Right? But no more than how much of the chest is moving. So only as far as the movement of the chest. And as your head starts to tilt back, and pay attention to your mouth, your jaw. Most likely you're holding your jaw, your mouth tightly held together. So just let that go and allow your lower jaw to open a little bit and move downward a little bit. And then as you bring and lower your chest down and allow your mouth to close gently. So by reducing an unnecessary holding, you can allow your jaw to move and allow your mouth to open and close easily with the movement of the chest and the neck and head. Repeat the movements until movement becomes a little bit smoother, and you can go ahead and stop. Okay, now that you're done, bring attention to feel your jaw, TMJ tension, or less tension, your posture, your breathing, just overall comfort in your body. And notice the different from the start to now. Just by bringing your attention, observing your body from the inside, and then just going through the movements very slowly and letting go of unnecessary effort, unnecessary holding. Okay? So initially, when you start to extend through the chest, through your mid and upper back, and letting your head move backwards, most likely that the people you are holding your jaw tight together, right? Keeping your mouth closed. And then by allowing your jaw to relax more, and then you can allow your mouth to softly open as you extend through your neck and move your head back. Okay? So this is just a way to retrain your habitual movement patterns, which is habitually clenching your teeth. You can let that go. And you can practice this one just, just a couple of times a day, especially when you're busy, and take your time, just a minute to just go through checking with your body and just to go through the movements. So the more you can pay attention and to yourself, to your body throughout the day, and the more opportunities that you have to retrain your nervous system, right? So that you're not stuck in the same patterns and over. So let me know all of your experience in the comment. If you like this video, and please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. And if conventional approaches aren't working for you and your body, and you want to feel good in your body again, and please watch my free masterclass in the description below. And you can apply for my comprehensive movement course and inside the masterclass. And if you want to rediscover the joy of moving your body.